Hey everybody, Dr. Healy from Root Healing Wellness here. Today I'm going to talk about the benefits of telemedicine. So what kind of patient would benefit from telemedicine? Telemedicine can be done literally from every state of America. So we have the problem of distance solved. Also, we're looking at specifically internal medicine patients with conditions that arise from internal function. For example, things like autoimmune disease, other causes that can affect the body systemically, diabetes, inflammation, etc. So there are many patients who suffer from chronic and acute diseases that would benefit from telemedicine because under the standard of care, we are lacking in certain kinds of testing and options. So with telemedicine, some patients need labs. Labs can be done in different states. Also with that, you have information, and we're looking for information specifically that standard of care doctors will not look for, but patients understand can be necessary. For example, inflammation, everybody would agree that inflammation can be a danger and can be a causative factor in many diseases and definitely a cofactor. But standard of care doctors, they never really look for inflammation. So that's a curiosity. There are limits in standard of care because it's basically based on shots, pills, and surgery. And when we're looking at things like medications and pills, there really aren't safe medications in many categories. For example, inflammation. There is no safe medication on the market you can take long-term for inflammation because if there were, your doctor would be giving it to you. So what we can do is we can do things like testing to look for root causes. Solutions, for example, detox processes, supplementation, unique processes like Chinese herbs, these can be mailed to patients and it's a very comfortable process. So we can talk to you on the phone, we can do things like Zoom or we can see each other. All of these are available and convenient options. There are some really unique options with things like Chinese herbs. They can address some conditions that literally nothing else can effectively without risks. For example, hormone issues. If you have hormone issues, the standard of care option is hormone replacement therapy, risks, heart attack, stroke, and cancer. Things like Chinese herbs you don't have to take for decades at a time. What happens is they can improve hormone levels, they can improve symptoms, they don't have the risks of heart attack, stroke, and cancer, and sometimes you might cycle them, but you don't need to take them for years at a time. So if you want to find out if telemedicine is useful for yourself, if you qualify for that kind of care, then please reach out to us. We're happy to talk to you. Thank you very much.